All right, guys. Today I'm taking a little hike with my son.
A little break from house.
Yeah, a little break. I mean, look at this view. All nature.
Yes. And
Yeah.
I'm glad we're gonna be Emerita and Mom. It's like, I'm tired. Can we go back?
Yeah, I know. He's complaining about his sisters. When you bring them up here, they're just gonna be complaining about it, tired.
Yeah, even
They
if
want to
it's
go
like
home.
1 hour. Literally.
Right.
They can get on their phone for like 10 hours, but they can't walk for 1 hour. They're so lazy.
You hear that? See, and this area right here is the camping ground.
They're,
You got
Guys,
these
for my
RVs.
For my birthday, like I want to have like
Oh, look
where
at the
there's
squirrel, JJ.
slides.
You see the
And
squirrel right there?
yeah, it's a camping site.
I said the squirrel. Look at that. That's a big one. That's a big squirrel.
Oh yeah.
Make a noise so they come. Is it the flying ones?
No, it's not the flying ones. It's this. It's cool. Oh.
All right.
It's not moved.
Yeah.
It's
Guys,
moved.
believe me, it's very humid in here.
Very humid.
Very.
Daddy, do you like humid weather?
No.
Why?
Like all sweaty, hot.
I like humid weather.
This place is like covered by trees. Should we go this way? Yeah. Let's go this way.
Alright.
Oh, look under the squirrel. You see that? See, there's another one over there.
Isn't that a skunk?
Oh, that's a squirrel. That's a big squirrel.
Yeah, there's all types of big squirrels. I thought
Yeah,
that was a skunk
look at
real
that.
quick. Two squirrels.
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to see the flying one. They said they have a flying one out here.
It's mostly at night because so
Well, just imagine. Look at that. Right there. And they're moving too slow. What's up with that?
the squirrel.
Yeah.
Sometimes squirrels are blind, so
See, JJ, this is what I need for back home. Right there.
they're active at a dock.
Yeah, a dock. You see this?
You got it back at Uncle's house.
Yeah, it's a nice dock.
Careful, Daddy.
Yeah, just come. Look at this. They have all these bugs on the river or on the water. I don't know what kind of bugs are those. Oh, they got fish out here.
They do?
Yeah, I just saw one. Look at all these bugs.
Wow.
No,
What are they doing?
I don't know. Be careful, you don't know how to swim. I like this dock.
Yeah. Let's go before it disconnects.
It's not gonna disconnect. Man, I can just jump in this water over here and swim.
Daddy, you're literally bugs.
You know?
Probably from the bottom of the dock. So
Right. What do you think? It's nice out here.
yep. I wanna go back.
Hmm?
I'm gonna go back here and then fish.
Next time when we come over here, we'll bring a fishing rod.
The only thing that's gonna be caught on there is bugs.
You don't know that. I saw a fish.
Oh, they're hibernating. It's water bugs.
Water bugs.
Did you see that? Did you just feel that?
Yeah.
That is cool.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video.
We're gonna
And I love nature. This place is beautiful.
You wanna make parts of it?